So let's just practice it on the real top now. So this is a half scale block. Turn it to the wrong side. You would have done all your measurements. You have done all your measurements. Then assume after measure, this is your choking. So what you will do is this. So what we use back stitch method. This is it. Right? Instead of going to the front now, you go to the back. Like so. Then you come to the front again. You go back to your start point. Okay? So you come to the front again. So basically, you're just going to be doing it like that, the way we, have been doing it, taking it to the front, going back. It's just like going back and forth, okay? So that's how we are going to be doing it until we get to the end where we will knot it. So once you get to the end, you will need to tie it. Okay, push your needle through. Okay, once you push it through now, you would just use your thread to go around it once or twice and you pull it out. That will be all. Okay, you just need to cut off the thread. So let's see the way it looks on the right side. So this is the way it looks on the right side. If you look at it now, you can see the thread. That's because we are even using a different color of thread. Okay, and if you don't still want it to have this type of opening, the way it's opening, it means you need to make your stitch, be more firmer, one, and also the gap should not be too much. Do you understand? The gap between your stitches should not be too much. So you should not, use your hand needle to pick too far. Okay, so let's just do the other side now so that I will show you what I'm talking about. Let's do the other side now. Your stitches should be smaller. Yes, that's what I want to say. It should be smaller. It should not be too wide. It should not be too long. The gap should just be moderate. So once you start now, we are going back now. Tie it. Let me tie it first of all. Then you go back. Okay, and push your needle through. Now the going back should not be much because we don't want too much opening. Do you understand? The going back should not be much. Just make it very little. Make it little. The distance between the first one and the second one should not be too much. Okay? That way, you will not have much opening like it is on the first one that we did. So you're just going to be doing it. So the gapping should just be little. You can see it now. I'm not gapping too much. Okay, but even though it's not really, it's something that you're just testing. You just need to use your hand needle to do it to even see that if it will fit you. One thing is to draft, another thing is to sew what you have draft to know that if it will fit you. That's why you're doing all of this. It's not even as if you're going to wear it out. So if you now still want to wear it out, you need to make the stitch very close. You can see how close it is now. You can hardly know if it was a hand needle that was used. So you see it now. So that's the essence. You make your stitches very close. Okay, so I'll just do the rest off camera now, then I will show it to you. Okay, so now we have done this. You can see you see the way it is. This is the way it is on the wrong side. You can see. So you need to make it tight. So this is the way it is. You can see the way it is. So if you use a matching thread, it will hardly show. So this is the other side. You can see this was the part that we were really gapping. So you can see it. We are really gapping on this part compared to here where we made the sewing, the thread close. So now what we will do now, we can still, I told you that you can use it to sew a full cloth. So this is the the darts. Okay, so we are just going to use it to sew the darts. It's still the same thing. Still the same thing. My thread is almost finishing now, so I need to bring in another thread. So I'll just bring my scissors now, cut it like this. I still need to tie it too. Even though I'm going to continue from where I stop, I still need to tie it. Okay, just tie it so that it does not start loosening from here. Then I'll just thread again. So I've gotten another thread now. We will just continue it. So to continue it now, this is what you do. You know, this was where we started. So you still start it from here. Okay, start it from here, bring it out like so. Then you go back. You know, we are using the back stitch. We are not using the running stitch. So you go back now, and come back to where your needle first started. Okay, when you come back to where your needle is now, just come back. This is it.